guys, welcome back to Release the Craftin. Priscilla here with the official challenge announcement for my channel. Those of you who watched my hardcover tutorial will have already found out that I am hosting a challenge for the month of February. That is all 29 days. It is a leap year, happy leap year. Where the challenge is to make a hardcover book. Now you can make a hardcover book in any style, theme, anything you like. Just make sure it has a hard cover. In my last video where we made this hardcover, I sort of talked about people having sort of reluctance or trepidation or intimidation when it comes to making hardcover books. So it was my goal to not only show you guys how to make a hardcover book in the standard method that I use, but also to encourage you guys to make your own hardcovers. So this challenge is open to everyone of all skill levels, from beginners to super expert crafters. If you're an expert crafter, you might want to take the extra challenge of trying to think outside of the box and coming up with something interesting to do to your hardcover. You can make a book. Make sure it's a filled book. Don't just make a hardcover and then be like, here's my hardcover. Make the actual book. Let's make it worth something. Otherwise, people are going to be churning out empty hardcovers all month. But yeah, so in the month, make a hardcover book. Post it onto Instagram, YouTube, using the hashtag showmeyourhardcover. Make sure that I get to see your video, you guys. I will be searching YouTube and Instagram to make sure that I don't miss anybody, but definitely tag me on Instagram so that I can see your entries. I will also make a post on Instagram sort of laying that out. Use the hashtag showmeyourhardcover, and make sure that it is on whatever project you have. This is also open for people on Facebook, but like I said in my last video, if you guys did not watch that, I don't actually use Facebook very often unless I am super encouraged to. So if you do post it there, I might not get to see it. I will definitely make it a point to check, and I have friends who regularly use Facebook and harass me into using Facebook, so they're probably going to keep an eye on it too, because they're cool people and they're supportive and I love them. But definitely use my hashtags so we can see this. I want to see your guys' hardcover books, and I want to see the cool things that you come up with or the ways that you decorate your hardcover. I just want to have a challenge that kind of encourages everybody to get past the stigma and maybe make a hardcover book, because I know that it's really common and a lot of people get into the rut where they're just making soft cover after soft cover. They're a little bit easier to make, and they're kind of sort of a different type of fun. I won't say that they're more fun, but you get to do a little more things like making plushie covers and sort of things like that, where you don't, maybe you feel like you don't have the same flexibility with a hardcover, but this challenge is here to say that you do, and I want you guys to get experimental and have fun, or just try it out. If you've never tried a hardcover or haven't had much success, give it a go. So for this challenge, because I am almost at 1,000 subscribers, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, for the challenge though, you do need to be subscribed to my channel. I will be checking when I draw the winners. There will be a couple of winners. I will announce the prizes probably middle of the month, so that'll give everybody some time to get started and then get a little more hyped as it goes on. I will draw the winners at the end of the month, so you have to have this hashtag, you have to be liking this video, you have to subscribe to this channel, and that's pretty much it. It's a really easy challenge, I think, and for those of you who do have that reluctance or fear of hardcovers, let's just say, I hope that this will be a fun way for you guys to try out something that maybe you wouldn't have necessarily tried, and just get out there and do something interesting. And yeah, so I will link the last video where we made this hardcover to give you a launch pad. On that video, there will also be links to other hardcover tutorials, as well as some by my friends. And like I said in the other video, if you make a video and you do post it on YouTube of how you make a hardcover, or just the whole process of you making your hardcover, I will add it to a playlist that I will save onto my channel, and it'll be there forever and ever and ever, as a good resource for other people and other beginners maybe who need some ideas on how to build a book cover. So that's going to be it for me today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I appreciate your faces. Let me know in the comments below if you will be joining this challenge. And yeah, that's going to be all. Bye!